Well, as you can see, things are looking substantially different, and finally we've started the knockdown of the old office. And our new plan is building a 400 square metre office block and ablution block combined up, so double the size of what we had before, and it'll be modern. It'll put all of our engineers, all of our sales people, all of our administration into one area and have a really nice cafe and facilities for ablutions and so on for all of the staff across the factory. Part of the rebuild of the project is actually making sure that our whole factory can keep running all of the time, so we couldn't disrupt the factory. So what that meant is we had to put up support structures on the walls, support them up with bracing as we knock the building down, so they step knock the building down. Part of the project of knocking down the offices is, of course, we had to build some temporary offices and relocate people throughout the factory. So we've built a completely new office and a new warehouse that we've rented out just down the road. I've shown you what's happening out at the front of the factory with the new offices. Now I'm going to take you down the back and show you something really cool. So this is our new machine hall number 3, 1,000 square metre single span machine hall, specifically built to house all of our new machinery and new equipment, fully air conditioned to help hold tolerances and keep the best conditions we can possibly have. This is going to be one of the best new machine halls in New Zealand. What we're doing is we had 1,500 square metres of machine hall. We're now going to go to 2,500 square metres, so a huge increase. We've had massive increase in work over the last few years. We've been retooling with the new automated machines, the new robots. When we did that, we had to push some of the older machinery back out into the factory. Now with this new machine hall, we bring everything back into the one big set of machine halls. So speaking of new machinery, let's go and have a look at the new robots we've got to show you. This has got to be one of the coolest machine shops in New Zealand now. This size of robot picking up 70, 80 kilo workpieces, completely automatically machining them in the new DMG Morisiki machining centres. Just the best technology you can buy. So I'm so lucky to work in a company with such smart, great, innovative people that have been able to develop up this capability of machining to the type of tolerances we're doing now with this sort of equipment, with the automation. I reckon I'm really lucky I get to work with all these guys. So it's been really good to show you some of the initiatives we've got underway at the moment. Keep your eyes peeled for what's coming.